my very first video and I have finally started my YouTube channel. I'm very nervous and I don't know how to act or react, but it's a win-win for me because I'm a very bad procrastinator and I have tried so many times to shoot a video but it just not happened because I'm not the most outspoken person, and it's very weird to talking to a camera, right? But anyways, my videos are gonna all about fashion, styling, DIYs and much more. So welcome to the first episode. In this video, I'm gonna convert my old t-shirt into a ruched top. I have seen this style being very popular this summer in various forms such as in skirts, tops, shirts, in dresses, etc. Also, I have tried to present a simple hack to this DIY. So I started wearing the t-shirt to measure the length I want to cut. Since it was going together at front, I made a mark it lower than I want. That is the clip because my demonstrator deleted the original video, so I make another one for the demo. Cut the strap wide and cut it into half so that it will come out in equal sizes. Now place the two straps on the t-shirt and cut the extra portion. And sew it by hand or machine. I tried both. Machine is much easier to do the job. Now cut a long strap for the string. From the remaining fabric and pass it through the loop. I'm quite bad at sewing, so I am facing some difficulties. Ta-da! Your DIY ruched top is ready. This is so cute and comfortable, especially for skinny girls like me. The top hugs your body and provides you a definite shape. So, thank you so much for watching the video. I know it's very hard to tolerate me and my voice, and I really appreciate it. But thank you so much. And also, if you like the video, please hit the like button and also leave a suggestion in the comment section down below. See you in the next video. Ta-da!